These are detailed instructions on how to complete your game card. So the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have your name written up here as well as the class period. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go through all of the stations. So you're going to go through on here on this Deck Toys app, and you're going to go through, you're going to take this test, and once you figure out that test, which learning style that you are, then you're simply just going to check that off on your game card. So if I'm a kinesthetic learner, then I can either circle it, I can put an X through it. Any way that you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. Each game station has their own unique spot on your game card that you're going to be checking off. Once you finish with each game station, then you're simply just going to cross them off as you go along down here. And you know which one to check off because the item is right here. Once you get to the potion station, you're going to fill out this spiderweb chart on your character sheet. But here's the catch. You can only use each number once, so choose wisely. So here on my game card, what I'm going to do is if I choose that submitting work, I'm a number 5, I'm just going to make a dot right here. For tech, if I choose that maybe I'm a 4 for that one, I'm going to put a dot there. For social, maybe I'm a 0 for that one. Teamwork, I'm a 2. Notice how I'm only using the numbers once. And so you have to really be thoughtful about this. So let's say artistic ability, and maybe for speaking, I'm this number right here. Then what you can do is you can draw connections on your game sheet if you would like. And then you're going to fill out the Google form. So here is our Google form that is in the potions class. So again, once you fill out your web chart on your character sheet, then you're going to add this on here. So this is ranking your abilities on a scale of 1 to 6, with 6 being the strongest. So remember, you can only use each number once, so choose wisely. So if I'm choosing artistic ability as a 6, maybe speaking is a 1, submitting work is a 5 for me, tech is a 4, social is a 2, and teamwork is a 3. So notice how when I have 1 in each column, the red goes away. If I were to put 2 in one column, it turns red again, and it says, please don't select more than one response per column. So that's where I know that I need to go back through and I need to figure that out on here. You'll find out where the other ones are as you play the game on Deck Toys. And like I said, you want to make sure that you're crossing off down here when you complete each task. When you get to the owls, you're going to be taken to this site called Flipgrid. So when you get to Flipgrid, you're going to use your Google login. You have a choice between 2 topics. So you can either do show and teach, or you could do the reteaching. And when you click on the topic, there's going to be directions over here. So if I click on show and teach, here are the directions here, and there's also a video to kind of show you how that works. So I'm going to click on reteaching. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this plus sign right here, and it's going to ask you, do you want to use your microphone or use your camera? And you're going to click allow. And what this is doing is it's going to record on here, and this is where you're going to record. So I'm going to exit out of that so it doesn't save my my video here. And then, like I said before, cross this off on your sheet. So once you have everything all filled in, and once you complete that last task on here, it's going to give you a ticket number. So make sure that you write that ticket number on here. So you're going to write the ticket number here, whatever that ticket number is. I'm just writing down random stuff here, but you're just going to write that in here. And then you're going to submit this on Schoology.